Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today, we will discuss some interesting kitchen tools. Before watching this video, subscribe to the channel as soon as possible and click on the bell icon to watch new videos first. Discover the best kitchen gadgets and tools on Amazon that make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a pro chef, these kitchen essentials are must-haves for every modern home. Upgrade your kitchen today with the most useful gadgets and tools available on Amazon. So let's see what products are on the list in this video. TULF Expandable Dish Rack. Expandable for large capacity. This large dish drying rack can be adjusted to fit different kitchen countertop sizes. It can expand to accommodate plates, bowls, cups, glasses, and even full-size pots or pans. When closed, the dish rack is compact enough to fit in the sink or cupboard without taking up much space. Utility Foldable Rack. Our dish drying rack has a foldable partition which can hold 6 goblets or pots and pans and can be folded for easy storage. The dish drainer rack also has a water guide hole to prevent water accumulation. Automatic drainage. Say goodbye to water accumulation or water on your countertop. This expandable kitchen dish drying racks is equipped with a stretchable widened water outlet. It can drain excess water into the sink effectively and automatically. Premium quality. The foldable dish rack is made of premium stainless steel and high-quality plastic that can adjust the rack smoothly. Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker. 7-egg capacity. Cook up to 7 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect, shell is easy to peel, and cleanup is simple. Ease of use. Fill pre-marked measuring cup with water to desired doneness, add to the cooking plate, press the power switch, and within minutes your eggs will be excellent. Fun and simple to use for the entire family. The auto shut-off function gets it right every time, and it's faster than conventional stovetop methods. Versatility. Whether pairing with avocado toast or preparing deviled eggs, the Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker is an all-in-one egg boiler, veggie or food steamer, and more. Compact space-saving design. Perfect as a back-to-school gift for dorms, apartments, RVs, or the office. Compact and lightweight. It easily fits into drawers for storage or just leave out on the counter as a fun and colorful accent to any home kitchen. Bench Scraper. Thickened stainless steel. This bench scraper is made of thickened stainless steel, non-reactive, rust-free, hygienic, and durable. Heavy duty. Precision beveled edge. Made of knife-grade steel, the edge is beveled precisely. Balanced sharpness is convenient for scraping and cutting. Firm grip, ergonomic and comfortable non-slip wooden handle. Great for scraping up food ingredients to easily transfer to a mixing bowl or for cleaning your work surface. Measuring inch marking scale, for precise measuring while cooking or grilling. Griddle scraper bench knife. Also perfect for barbecue and grill, as well as for cast iron griddle or flat top cooking as griddle grill accessories for your home kitchen or backyard barbecue. Great as a gift. AstralShip 2-in-1 Glass Air Fryer Grill Combo. 2-in-1 Versatile Cooking Air Fryer Griddle Combo. This compact countertop air fryer and griddle combo is a multifunction cooking appliance that lets you fry, grill, or bake in one space-saving unit. Flip the unit 180 degrees to switch modes and enjoy faster, oil-less cooking with fewer tools. Ideal for small kitchens, RVs, and modern homes. 7 digital presets for quick, consistent results. This digital air fryer toaster oven features 7 one-touch presets for popular meals like French fries, chicken, steak, seafood, veggies, and baked snacks. Whether it's a quick dinner or weekend prep, the digital control panel delivers consistent, perfectly cooked results. Great for beginners and busy households. Glass Air Fryer Bowl. Real-time visibility while cooking. See your food crisp and sizzle in real time through the durable, heat-resistant glass air fryer bowl. No more guessing or lifting the lid. GDEL Food Chopper. Reduce prep time. The food chopper is equipped with stainless steel blades which make faster chopping, dicing, and grinding than a knife. Use the onion chopper directly on your cutting board or included base to get your prep food with less time. Zero risk of injury. Simply slap the vegetable chopper to get quickly chopping in the garlic and onions in seconds. No more getting hurt by touching the blades. Easy cleaning. The hand food chopper is easy disassembling for speedy cleanup. Simply finish cleaning under running water in 30 seconds. Also top rack dishwasher safe. Easy to use. This vegetable chopper is made of premium materials and can be used with confidence. The garlic chopper comes with an instruction manual. You can easily master it whether you are an expert cook or a novice in the kitchen. Balloon whisk. Fatigue-free mixing 8.5 plus 10.5 plus 12 thickened wire comfy non-slip grip made Annie whisk can be fatigue-free mixing. Proper balance between floppy and sturdy. More guaranteed than others. Great for non-stick pots, and PNSNE at whisk have sturdy silicone protective cover, which is non-stick itself and won't scratch the non-stick coating in your pots and pans. Easy cleaning after using. Annie whisks are perfect with your cooking ware. SWFT, comfortable, non-slip handle Aniat innovative ergonomic handle shape and soft, comfortable grip to absorb pressure. Its excellent balance and control let you really feel the quality of Anite. HEAT-resistant durable healthy silicones are resistant to heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for cooking almost any favorite food. Anite whisk won't discolor, warp or melt. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Chicken breast shredder. Upgraded chicken shredder. Compared with the old chicken shredder, we have changed the inner shred structure and strong anti-slip strip. More effective and saves time. We do not worry about sliding away from our kitchen desks again. The flower appearance design and the transparent lid-add polka dots seem like a beautiful flower to bloom. Shredded meat in seconds. The meat machine built-in plastic teeth that cover the whole area, which can tightly clamp the food. The lid has extra spikes on the edge, which help meat gather the shredded meat in the middle, cutting it evenly. The tool is applied with an ergonomic handle and an anti-slip base, ensuring comfort and easy operation even during heavy use. These updated structure designs can make your cooking tasks more efficient. Elite Gourmet Cast Iron Burner. Easy to clean. 6.5-inch and 5-inch cast iron flat cooking plates are non-stick and easy to clean with a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge. Adjustable temperature. Quickly reach and sustain the desired low, medium, or high heat settings with the variable temperature knob to keep food warm or boil hot water. Built-in safety. Dual power indicator lights on the front of the burner remind users when the item is powered on. Non-skid feet ensure the burner remains stable during use. Compact and portable. The compact size of the burner makes it an easily accessible item to take on the go wherever an extra cooking device is needed, at school, office, camping trips, or home. Efficient power. With a combined wattage of 1500 W, dual hot plates, and individual temperature controls, delicious meals can be cooked simultaneously. Bamboo Cutting Board. Kichi offers a versatile set with sizes including 15 by 10 inches, 12 by 8 inches, and 9 by 6 inches. Accommodating all your cutting needs from meats and vegetables to fruits and breads. This variety ensures you always have the perfect board for any task. Our cutting boards undergo a thermal treatment at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, a process known as carbonization. This treatment enhances the bamboo's stability, significantly reduces moisture absorption, and gives the board a rich, dark hue that complements any kitchen decor. Experience unparalleled durability with Kichi's cutting board set, which uses a cross-laminated technique. Each layer of bamboo is precisely interlocked to create a robust structure that resists warping and cracking. Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster. Slim design, big impact. With a sleek 3.58 profile, the Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster fits comfortably on any countertop without taking up much space. Part of our Fits Anywhere kitchenware collection, it's the perfect blend of style and practicality. One long slot for versatile toasting. The extra-wide, 10-inch long slot accommodates 2 slices of bread side by side or thick artisan breads like bagels, baguettes, and Texas-style toasts. No more squeezing or cutting, just perfect toast every time. Toasted perfection. 6 shade settings with a convenient cancel function allow you to customize your bread to your exact preference, from lightly golden to dark and crispy. Achieve your ideal toast with just a simple turn of the dial. Easy cleanup, clutter-free countertop. The removable crumb tray slides out for quick cleaning, ensuring your smart toaster stays tidy and operates efficiently.